Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei P30 Pro. Some of you may be saying, why are you doing that? Didn't you just release a video a couple of weeks ago doing just that, unboxing the Huawei P30 Pro? And the reason is this, whilst I had a review unit from Huawei, our Chief Aperture Officer, the guy behind the multiple cameras here, decided to buy one himself. He liked it so much. So he ordered one from our friends at Amazon, and we are now going to unbox it. So, as you can see, usual Amazon packaging, what you'd expect. Some Amazon Prime tape on the things here, because Lukasz, like myself, is a subscriber to Amazon Prime. Inside the box, you'll see there's some paper, making sure the Huawei P30 Pro in its retail packaging does not slip around. And you can see in the box, Huawei P30 Pro. Now this is an actual retail device, one meant for sale. So unlike my review device provided by Huawei, this one has some cellophane around the cardboard box, and there's not a not for sale sign inside. So this is the Huawei P30 Pro, as we saw in the other unboxing, with the Leica brand, Leica quad camera at the bottom. I'm going to take the wrapper off. And so that's the cellophane wrapping off, and it's just like the packaging on the device we unboxed in Paris. There's a bit of embossing at the top and at the sides on the Huawei logo and the scripts. Printed on soy ink as well, very important to note. So let's open it, and it just slides, the top lid slides off and pop. There we have it. So this is Lukasz's UK retail device. This is 128 gigabytes of storage and specifically 8 gigabytes of RAM. So as you can see, it's just like the one we unboxed in Paris, apart from the color and the storage options, but for look and feel it should be the same. Now the device itself is on the top, and we can already start seeing the lovely Aurora coming through there. But we'll pause, let's do things the other way around here. What else is in the box apart from the device? This is the formed device holder. There is a box here with, interesting, no gel case in this one. No gel case in the UK retail model. And a SIM ejector tool, some literature telling you about the Huawei P30 Pro and its warranty. There is Huawei's excellent 40 watt fast charger. This is a UK plug covered in cellophane. I'll leave Lukasz to go through the pleasure of taking that off. And then there's also USB Type A to Type C fast charging cable, and a set of USB Type C Huawei earbuds. That's because the Huawei P30 Pro does not have a 3.5mm or a Courage port in it. So here we have it. Are you ready for the unveiling of the Aurora Huawei P30 Pro, Lukasz? That's a yes from him. Bits of plastic coming off here. Ooh, shiny. Now this is a very different type of shiny compared to breathing crystal and even amber sunrise. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So that is the Aurora Huawei P30 Pro. So this is very similar to Huawei Honor devices we've seen before. If you haven't already watched it, the Tech Travel Geeks have a great video of the Huawei Honor 10 that we did last summer, and it's a similar type of gradient shininess with all sorts of refraction and reflection happening in this. It is truly gorgeous. As well as that, you can see the camera module with the 3+1 cameras, Huawei call this a quad camera setup, but in reality we believe this is a triple camera setup with a time of flight sensor. And just as with my breathing crystal Huawei P30 Pro, the Huawei P30 Pro in Aurora is tapered at both the front and the back to give you the impression that it's nice and slim. The buttons are the same on the side. There's a little red point there that reminds you that it is a power button. Nice little touch there. Lovely finish at the bottom. I'd say the colouring of the metal here is interesting. And the SIM tray, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone hole, and at the top, just as on the Breathing Crystal version, the Aurora one has an infrared port and a microphone hole, so all as expected. Interestingly, no gel case in UK packaging, so this is an interesting insight into what's happening. Luckily, Lukasz has ordered a case to go with his phone. He does like cases that act as stands, and this is lovely. Let's take my Huawei P30 Pro out, put the Aurora one down for a moment, and take my one out of the Smart View case from Huawei, and compare the looks of the Huawei P30 Pro in Breathing Crystal and in Aurora. Which one do you prefer? Breathing Crystal on my left, your right, or Aurora on my right, your left? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please do let us know in a comment or by just liking it. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, and check out our website, techtravelgeeks.com. But from the Tech Travel Geeks, I'll let Lukasz put his main SIM card into his shiny new Aurora Huawei P30 Pro. I think that's everything for today, isn't it, Lukasz? Yeah, I think we've covered everything. This is filmed on two separate cameras. Lukasz will edit it all together soon. But that's our unboxing of the Aurora Huawei P30 Pro in its UK packaging. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.